Welcome to easyhut.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, what is the smallest number that 675 must be multiplied with to get a perfect square? Okay. Now, let us see first prime factorization of 675 is, this is 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 3. So it is 5 square into 3 cube. This is 5 square into 3 square into 3. As we know that a perfect square has a multiples of 2 as a power. A perfect square has multiples of 2 as a power. Now here we can observe. So we need to multiply another 3 in the factorization to make this 675 as a perfect square. Okay, that is 3 is the smallest number that 675 must be multiplied with to get a perfect square. So our correct option is option A.